Hey guys, welcome to the video. I'm Braden and today we're going to look at the Draco Diff Case 2023. So this is the rear diff out of the Super 5SC Flux. I've just taken it out of the vehicle and as of now it has 10 packs on it. This is the third check I've done, so that means 3 test days. First day was 2 packs, second day was 4 packs, and then today was 4 packs. Lipo packs. So together we're going to disassemble and have a look inside and see if there are any issues. Alright, let me bring the camera close and we'll disassemble together. Okay, so let's get into the diff. So I've got my 2mm wrench and I will just take the gear side off so we can access the inside of the diff. You can see there's a little bit of leaking here, see there, and over here. Could be just leftover residue from when I assembled it. These are the original gears I received with the truck, so they are a little worn. I don't know if you can see that. Just here on this side. They are a little worn, but yeah. No problems, I'll continue using them. Alright, so we've got it open. Oil is dirty, which is normal. So you can see the pins are still intact. So what I usually do is I grab 2 random pins and I just check for wear, but first I would like to see if there's any play. Seems good there. Seems pretty tight. And then I'm going to grab the gears out as one unit. Here we go. Okay, so I've got 200,000 weight in this diff. So as you can see, the pins stay in position due to the oil, which is quite nice. It should help stop things from moving around a bit more. Okay, let me grab out one of these pins. Here we go. Okay, so let me just wipe this off and let's see if we can find any damage. Okay, so these are bearing steel 3x18mm, 2.5 by 18mm pins. So they are quite hard, and as you can see, there is no visible mark on the pin from the shaft, which is a good sign. I was giving the truck hell today, so there's a lot of strain on here. Okay, well, let's put this back, then let's grab another one. Down. Okay, let's grab another one. Let's say over here. Okay, so I grabbed the left side, so let's grab the right side on this side. So it's a different shaft. Okay, where are you? Come on. There we go. So once again, let's grab it. Then I'll give it a wipe on the towel as well. Okay. Okay. Let's take a look. Let's bring this closer. So as you can see there, oh okay, there's a little mark here actually. I don't know if you can see that. Kind of a dull area on the shaft, but no indentations or no abnormal shaping or anything like that. Yeah, so one of the positives of this design, or benefits of this design, is just replacing the pins as necessary. So these are quite inexpensive, and with the diff case I plan to include one set of 8 pins with every diff case, so you'll have a backup just in case. But the pins are available on AliExpress pretty cheap, so you could also order them yourself in the future as they wear. Yeah, okay. Alright, so as you can see, the pins are holding up quite well after 10 packs. I will continue to test and keep you updated. Thank you for watching, and leave any comments below. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.